carpeting. So we're going to test it on just some regular cut pile nylon carpeting here, or polyester this might be. So we're going to go ahead and place that double-sided tape right on the carpet, and we're going to test it if we need to. Say you're putting a rug on top of carpeting, so that's what a lot of people use this over carpeting for, to put a area rug on. So here you can see how sticky it is, and it's sticking to the carpet very, very well as well. So you can see that it will definitely keep your rugs in place when placed over the carpeting. And now we'll go ahead and take up that double-sided tape off the carpeting. There we go. Looks like it didn't leave any sticky residue or damage the carpet in any way. So far, so good. If you are interested, you can grab this carpet tile tape at carpettiletape.com or just search on Amazon carpet tile tape and look for the orange label.